warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Thank you for the opportunity. Today we want to talk about Hidden Theaters, Chapter 7, the title Adventure of the Tom Sawyer. Before we get started, I want to introduce our group. The first, my name is Elzabul Andalus. I play the role of Tom.
And my name is Irwansyah. I play the role of Injunju.
Hello guys, my name is Evan Samarangsa, as the narrator and friend entity.
And my name is Bintang Manggara Haradendra. I play role Tom. Advance ready?
Ready! Is story going?
Ready! Tom and Hank,
Let's move!
One Saturday afternoon, Tom wanted to have an adventure because he didn't want to think about an engine. We went to hug and sigh.
I'm going to look for the treasure. Do you want to come with me?
Oh yes, where can we look?
Let's start looking in the old house near Mr. Douglas. Old house are a good place for treasure.
The boys went to the old house. They went to a look at every room. First, they went into the kitchen, and then they went into the bedroom. Suddenly, two men come into the kitchen. Into Joe and his friend. The boys were afraid and stayed in the bedroom very quickly. He came with all one hit. He started to dig under the floor with his knife. What's this? I'm going to get it out. There was a big box under the floor. He opened it with his knife. There was a lot of money in the book. Look at the money. Let's go now. We can come back and get it tomorrow.
No! You are going to take it with us now. We can take it to that place. You know the place under the cross?
Then the man went out of the house and Joe called quickly to his friend.
Kill them later.
The boys were stunned and very afraid.
Did you hear them? They want to kill us.
Yes. The boys were afraid of Injun too, but they went to find his treasure. They went to his house every night, but they didn't see Injun Joe or his treasure.
That's all for our presentation from us. We hope you are entertained. And that adventure
It's not over yet.
Thank you for everyone.